Hey guys, so today we're at McDonald's at Penrith, met up for a ride for men's mental health. It is put on by the Better Bloke program. So today is all about men's mental health. So from here we're heading up to Lithgow, meeting up at a park, and then heading to Lithgow Club for lunch and that. And good day with all the biker community coming together for men's mental health. How good is that, to raise some much needed funds? So very important day. So there's two groups. One group's leaving from Orange, meeting at Lithgow, and we're leaving from Penrith, meeting at Lithgow. So we're all meeting at the same point. Stands are up at 10, so that will be soon. So let's firstly go have a look at the crew and bikes, and then we'll go from there.
Alright, so I'll give you a quick look at a few of the bikes that are here at the moment, but still early. What a cracker of a bike that is. There you go, Grandma.
I'm awesome, darling. Thank you for being here.
We're going to have a good ride today.
We certainly are, because I'm leading it, so it's going to be the best.
Look out, we're in trouble. There you go, mate. There you go, buddy. All right.
Thanks,
I like your shirt, man. Chop.
Cheers, man.
That's a beast, man. A 1000. You like the big bikes, don't you?
Mate, trying to make up something.
Oh, you love the big bikes. You love the power. All right, we'll cruise over here and check out a few other bikes.
From Better Blokes, that's where all you blokes' money is going to.
I'll be young when we get out to the other side, but cheers everyone for coming out, and we're going to meet up with the other crew once we get out.
So there's a bunch of people at Orange riding into Lithgow as well. Should be a good day. Stretch has put in a huge effort of getting raffles, donations. The bistro's got discount food or something.
Alright, so we're saddled up, we're ready to roll out. Alright, so we're in Club Lithgow and we just had a good feed. Lemon lime bitters and a light beer. And doing raffles.
E28.
But it's a blue ticket.
Tell you what, old mate's doing good with the raffles, eh? Check this out. He bought heaps of the books. Too funny.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for us. What a fabulous day it has been. So we're just leaving Club Lithgow now. So the ride had great raffles, awesome support, great time with great people. Like, it's just been an amazing day all round. Weather's been amazing once again, and yeah, so that's it for us. So guys, we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, and old mate was saying that he lost his son to a bike accident. That's partially why he started it up, and it started come out as just a ride, but now it's grown into this. And you know what? Good on him for pulling together, and now it's just coming bigger and better. And appreciate you guys. Keep it going. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Jump across, like and subscribe. It helps me channel grow. Leave a comment, whatever. Thumbs up. See you on the next one. Cheers.
Cheers.